Hello friends, let's learn ratio and proportion trick. How to solve this type of questions using the trick. If a colon b is equal to 1 colon 3, b colon c is equal to 3 colon 2, c colon d is equal to colon 5, then find a colon b colon c colon d is equal to question mark. We write a colon b colon c colon d. So we write a colon b is equal to 1 colon 3. So 1 b is equal to 3. So we write b is equal to 3. Next b colon c is equal to 3 colon 2. So b bottom 3, c bottom 2. Next c colon d is equal to 2 colon 5. So c bottom 2. D colon 5. Then we write bottom C and D, B bottom 2, 3, so C bottom 3 and D bottom 3. C bottom 2, so D bottom 2. 3 bottom 3, so A bottom 3. 2, so B bottom 2 colon A bottom 2 also. Then we will multiply. 3 cross 2 cross 5, 30. 3 cross 2 cross 2, 12. 3 cross 3 colon 3 cross 3 cross 2, 18 colon 1 cross 3 cross 2, 6. So it's answer of 1 colon b colon c colon d. A colon b colon c colon d is equal to 6 colon 18 colon 12 colon 30. So this is answer. Next question, if so we will find a colon b colon c colon d is equal to what happen? A colon b colon c colon d is equal to question mark. A colon b is equal to 2 colon 3. So we write 2 colon 3. B colon c is equal to 3 colon 5. So we write 3 colon 5. C colon d is equal to 5 7. So we write 5 colon 7. 3. So c is equal to 3, d is equal to 3. 5 is c is equal to 5, so d is equal to 5. B is equal to 3, so a is equal to 3. C is equal to 5, so b is equal to 5 and also a is equal to 5. Multiply 3 cross 5 cross 7. 135. 5 cross 5 is 5 cross 5 into 3. 75. 3 cross 3 cross 5. 45. 2 cross 3 cross 2. So answer is A colon B colon C colon D is equal to is equal to 30 colon 45 colon 75 80 135. So this is answer. Friends, like, share and subscribe.